What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another video.
Skinny girls weak, the hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
So you guys, if you didn't know about me, one thing I love to do is to craft and to like decorate for my home and to like refurbish things. Like, it's actually like something that I do to like cope with my anxiety. It's like a grounding tool I use. I'll take my crafts, I'll spread them out on my floor, maybe play some music, have a glass of wine, and just like, you know, do what I do. Like, so far I've done like my A&R sign in my bedroom, you know, the Ashley and Ronnie sign in there. I've done my entryway art that you see when you first come in my place. I've done my laundry room sign. I've redone my dining room chairs. Like, it's something that I really like to do. So today I'm about to take you guys with me thrifting. We're about to go see what kind of like cute things that we find, see what kind of inspiration I get. I just like to, it's like my jam. Like, I like to cook, I like to refurbish stuff, like totally homey kind of stuff. Like, I really love it. I have never been to this thrift store. I think I'm gonna go to the Goodwill over here. Let's go see what we can find. Let's, you know, I like, usually when I go to places, I just see something and then in my head instantly I can like think of how I want it to look, or how, you know, the kind of like I gotta see it, and if it pops in my mind like how I can transform it, then I usually get it. So let's go see what kind of cute stuff we can find. All right, Lego. All right, you guys, so we're here. This is called the Goodwill Superstore. Like, this place is friggin' huge. Okay, so let's go see what we can find. Hey, hi, Renee. Let's go get a cart. Alright, so I'm looking for more home decorating kind of stuff, so I'm gonna go to the left here. Oh, I see a Buddha. Some Buddhas. $9. I think these are really pretty. These are $6. That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna get one. I like this one. It's like pretty zen, right? Or should I get the big one? Yeah, here we go. The indecisiveness is starting. What would you get, the big one or this one? Oh, these things are heavy. I don't know. This one actually called out to me, so I'll get this one. Yeah, this place is huge. So I'm making my way down here to the home section. Oh, I got sanitizer and all kind of stuff.
Should I listen to you?
Pardon me. Wow, look at these big lamps. You should get one of those, paint the base, bling it out. Especially that big white one. Big paintings. Look at that. They have all kind of picture frames. Okay. Oh, look at this Marilyn Monroe one. That's nice. Trash cans. Ooh, a drink dispenser. Baskets. Baskets are always a good buy. Oh, look at all these brand new Rubbermaid thermos cups. Ooh, popcorn makers. Mac and cheese maker. Cutting boards. Guess it's the kitchen aisle. Yeah, I got a million pots and pans. Pardon me. Thank you. Oh, look at these tiers. That's cute. I have so many pots. Microwaves. Glasses. A travel pillow. Floor lamps. Look at this vase, that's different. Wow, a guitar. Glass cutting boards, bamboo utensil sets. Vacuum cleaners. Yeah, I'm back over here by this big white lamp. I'm checking it out. That could be a good buy. Oh wow, look at the fat Buddha. Oh look, a French press. I don't have one of these. Oh, that's $5. Oh, I didn't do it. I definitely don't have one of these. That's nice. This vase is pretty. It's huge. I don't know. I'm not really seeing too much stuff. Oh, look at all these creepy looking dolls. I don't like that kind of stuff. Oh, hell no. I would never. Ever, ever. What if they like really cost a lot of money too? Worth a lot of money. This is pretty. It's different. It's actually really pretty. That's pretty. Chambord glass. I don't know, yeah, I'm not really seeing a lot of stuff. I got floaties and stuff for the pool. I feel like I'm going in circles. Their home section is pretty small.
No one is there behind it. That's where she can
Glasses, plates. I don't know, y'all. I think we should go to another one. That's cute. That's a cute picture. Okay. That's actually really pretty. Let me get this. That's really pretty. Okay. I found two things. Oh, they got barbecues. Oh, there's more stuff over there. Alright, let's see what they got over here. Oh, throw blankets. Wow, a ton of books. Okay. Ooh. I think I hit the jackpot. Oh wow, they legit have beds in here? Rugs, big paintings.
I just bought you a trash can.
Sheet sets, brand new. Oh wow, rugs, big rugs. Kitchen stuff. Pillows. More rugs. Oh wow, tables. Chairs. Wow, this is really pretty. $7 cheap. How cute! Look at this elephant. So pretty. $5. Very cute. I think that was my aesthetic, but it's pretty. Wow, look at these tables and benches. Okay. Big Walmart. Just trying to see what calls me, y'all. Don't forget the sparkle. I love that. I know I love my glitter and stuff. Oh, they about to close, yeah. It's not even late. Look, they got golf clubs. Oh, look at that big seashell. Over here, I'm trying to see what this is. These big old benches only $79. That's like perfect for an entryway. Car stuff. They have like a lot of nautical stuff. Look at mirror trays. Those are really pretty. This is really pretty. It's sparkly, I love that. I like this. Let me get it. Love it. So that's 3 things. I like this, but it's not sparkling. I'd have to blink it out. They have like a million rugs. That's good. If I'm shopping for a rug, I'd come here. Cleaning stuff. Oh. Caterer. Look at that couch. Okay. Alright, y'all, let's go check out. So I'm in line, y'all. Line is long. Only found 3 things. A picture, this, and the booty. Yep. Then we gotta go to another one. See, this store has mad clothes. So if you was looking for clothes, you have so many options. Alright, you guys, so you're seeing, I didn't really find much. If you was looking for like clothes, shoes, bathing suits, that kind of stuff, they have like so much of that kind of stuff, but I didn't really find nothing. Yeah, I saw what I found, so I may go try to go to another one. If so, you'll see it. If not, this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that number